To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Mustang GT500 Shelby, wow, Kona Blue, 550 horsepower. Have a look in the trunk here. That is awesome. Look at that, fabulous. In the trunk, lots of room. You can hold 2 sets of suitcases. There's even storage under here because you've got a spare tire kit with a spare tire delete. So you've got a blow-up kit. And have a look in the back there. Again, tons of room. Have a look in the seams. Beautiful car. Clean, tidy, no issues. Beautiful. Close that lid. Have a look there. SVT Shelby GT500. It is a beast. Look at the size of the exhaust. Those are ginormous pipes out the back there, and it makes enough noise, produces enough power to scare anybody. That is an enjoyable car. Shelby. So have a look at this wheel. Outstanding condition, no issues whatsoever, brand new rubber, brand new brakes, just beautiful. On the inside, we've got the Recaro seats in leather. In a Boss, you cannot get Recaros in leather, you could only get them in cloth. In the GT500, they made an exception and made these Recaros in leather. Beautiful interior, fabulous. Have a look in the door frame here as I'm getting in. I'll just check the glove box. The books are with the car, they're right there, so we're all good in that case. It's got the Shaker 500 sound system with a nice big speaker. It's got short shifter with a cue ball shifter there. Beautiful. Wow. Door panels are in fabulous condition. Nice perforated leather on the door panels to match the seats. And again, Kona Blue. What a great color. The big snake on the side there, that looks fabulous. Here's your other wheel. No issues whatsoever. Brand new rubber, brand new brakes, all ready to go. Go out and scream down the road and have a lot of fun. Under the hood is the 5.4 liter 550 horsepower V8 engine, hand built and signed by the builder right there. SVT intake as well as exhaust. This is a real serious beast, no question. Have a look over here. Clean, clean, clean. What a super looking machine. Awesome. Let me close the hood so that we can just see the top of the hood. There we go. And there's the snake right there. Fog lights there. The front lip has no issues that I can see whatsoever. No damage, no cracks, no splits, nothing. It's in perfect condition there. Stone chips, there's a couple. There's one little stone chip there, and that's not a scratch, it's just a stone chip where the stone is grazed it along. We've got some touch-up coming for it. We're going to touch it up. Here's the other front wheel. No curb rash, no issues, just a beautiful looking car. That's a brand new tire and brand new brakes, rotors, pads, everything. So again, you'll just be going down the road having a whole whale of a time. Okay, on the inside, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, ambient lighting, which is currently set to red on the ambient. It's got the Recaro seats, which are multi-function adjustments, but they're manual adjustments, which is awesome so that you can just get those motors out. Don't want the extra weight of a power motor. So let's climb in and fire this one up, shall we? Oh, that is a great throaty sound. Wow. Awesome. Nice short shifter. Let me push the reset. 59,833 kilometers. This has the dash currently set to blue, but you can change that. Make it red, make it whatever you want. Shaker 500 sound system, air conditioning, short shifter, cue ball shifter. That's your power trunk and your traction control off. Here's your ambient lighting with your cup holders there. Little Shelby sign there. And in the back here, you've got USB and line in, so you can plug your phone in and have that work. Alcantara right here, as well as the Alcantara on this shifter also. Alcantara on the steering wheel. So fabulous car. Great condition, just beautiful. Listen to that rumble, wow. Have a look in the frames as I'm getting out. Kona Blue Shelby, wow, the gorgeous car. The right wheels, the right tires. We put on the Goodyear Eagle F1s, which are the factory originals, so you're all good. Listen to that chug out the back. Wow. there you have it, folks. That is a 2012 Mustang GT500 Shelby SVT Cobra. Wow, Shelby, that's awesome. 550 horsepower will push you around pretty quick. So come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.